Now to the verdict in the money laundering trial of Fort Bend County Judge K.P. George. A jury found him guilty this afternoon.
Yeah, you're looking at the very moment of video when he was handcuffed in the courtroom. The question now is, what happens next? Jason Miles has been following this story from the very beginning. He joins us live with the latest on this. Miles?
That's right. Judge K.P. George was remanded and taken to jail shortly after the verdict was read inside the building you see behind me. His new bond set at a combined $20,000, and for now at least, he will remain the county's top political figure. Take a look again at video from inside the courtroom. This was the moment the verdict was actually read. George, standing there rather stoically, didn't show much emotion as the judge said, guilty of money laundering 2 times. Deputies then placed handcuffs on George and walked him out of the courtroom a short time later. He faces up to 10 years in prison after the jury took about 6 hours to find him guilty of using campaign money for personal expenses. As for his immediate future as county judge, here's more on that from the DA's office.
The law says you're removed from office upon conviction, but technically trial is not over until we finish sentencing. A judgment is not entered until that time. So Mr. George can't even appeal his conviction until that time. So when that gets finalized on the 16th, there will be language in the judgment that removes him from office. If he appeals, that will supersede the removal order, at which time we will request the judge to enter an order of suspension, suspending him from office because it's in the public interest.
Rather complicated, as you heard. He mentioned the 16th. He means June 16th. That is when sentencing is scheduled. Georgia's defense team telling us they had a strong case, but they respect the jury's decision. They have not decided about an appeal at this point. Now, you may recall George has another trial coming up in May on misdemeanor charges related to a social media hoax, if you will, that we have reported on extensively. The DA's office will determine, though, if they want to move forward with that, given the fact that they did get a conviction in this felony case. Reporting live from Richmond, Jason Miles, KHOU 11 News.
Yeah, potentially more legal woes ahead for the county judge. Jason, thank you for sorting it all out for us.